Robert James Reid, born on May 11, 1993, is a Filipino actor and singer. He began his professional acting career in the early 2010s. After being named the big winner of Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash 2010, he came into prominence for his leading role in the film Diary ng Panjet. Reid has since starred in Filipino movies such as Talk Back and You're Dead, Para Sa Hopeless Romantic, This Time, and Never Not Love You. He also starred in the Philippine TV series Good Vibes, On the Wings of Love, Until I Met You. Reid is popularly referred to as the country's multimedia prince by multiple media outlets, and has bagged a FAMAS Award, an MTV Europe Music Award, and to SBS Pop Asia Awards. Reid was born in Sydney, Australia, on the 11th of May 1993 to an English-Australian father, Robert Malcolm Reid, and a Filipino mother, Maria Apelin Marquinez. His parents separated when he was 2 years old, and Reid lived in Australia until he was 15. Back in Australia, he was a gymnast and swimmer. All you need to know about Nadine and James Reid's reel-to-reel love team. When people talk about today's hottest love teams, it's impossible to miss JaDine. After waves of successful TV shows, chart-topping movies, record-breaking concerts, and a grand public announcement of their real-life relationship, Nadine and James Reid have established themselves as household names in the entertainment industry. The beginning of JaDine. Nadine started her showbiz career at only 9 years old as a TV host for a children's show. In 2009, she became part of Viva Entertainment's all-girl group Pop Girls. She later took on several TV commercials, and then pursued her solo singing career while waiting for her big break. Filipino-Australian James Reid, meanwhile, debuted in local TV at 17 years old as a contender in ABS-CBN's popular reality show, Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash. James emerged as the big winner of the franchise's Teen National Edition in 2010. Did the JaDine ship actually start to sail? Box office hits. Ang Diary ng Panjet success ushered for JaDine a 2-year exclusive contract with ABS-CBN in 2014, and were launched as the Kapamilya Network's newest love team. In the same year, the tandem top billed another hit movie, Talk Back and You're Dead. The JaDine fever caught on as the pair starred in yet another flick in 2015, Para Sa Hopeless Romantic. They were also cast in ABS-CBN's Metro Manila Film Festival 2015 entry, The Beauty and the Bestie, where they showed their acting prowess despite taking on supporting roles. In 2016, they headlined the romantic drama film, This Time. Here, James and Nadine also recorded a version of the movie's theme song with the same title, which was originally performed by Freestyle. After a year's break from the big screen, the love team wowed the crowd with their controversial comeback movie in 2018, Never Not Love You. Portraying characters conflicted by the woes of adulting, the tandem believes the film pushed them to show more mature versions of themselves. JaDine teleseries. Soon after closing the deal with ABS-CBN, Nadine and James starred in Once Upon a Time's month-long special, My App #Boyfie. Their first ever Kapamilya TV show as a love team tells the story of an orphan girl, Annika, who chances upon an app called the Virtual Person Maker. She assembles her ideal boyfriend, Joe, and got the surprise of her life when the virtual person she created became actually real. A year after their launch as a Kapamilya love team, Nadine and James took the airwaves by storm with their first primetime series, On the Wings of Love, depicting the struggles of Filipinos working abroad and entwining the undeniable killing factor that JaDine so easily brings. It was an instant audience favorite and ran for 6 months. The show made JaDine household names. In 2016, the sought-after tandem delighted their fans with another TV series, Till I Met You, which was partially shot in Greece, from reel to reel. In February 2016, it was the ultimate show of fan service when James surprised Nadine and told her I love you in front of thousands of fans during their JaDine in Love concert in the Smart Araneta Coliseum. In an interview with the press after their concert, the two admitted to officially being a couple. The breakup in January 2020, news reports circulated that James and Nadine were no longer together. Fans did not believe the news, posting proof that JaDine spent Christmas and New Year's together. They were even spotted going on a hiking trip with friends and traveling in Brazil. However, James and Nadine's breakup was confirmed on January 20th, 2020. During an episode of Tonight with Boy Abunda, part of their joint statement reads, "We agreed that going separate ways was best for both of us. We are on good terms, are still really good friends, and will continue to work with each other, especially when it comes to music." Actor James Reid said that he suffered depression due to bashing after he revealed his relationship with Issa Pressman. In his interview with Ogie Diaz, James said that social media users believed that Issa was the reason of his breakup with Nadine. James reiterated that Issa was not the reason of his breakup with his former on- and off-screen partner. Take a quick peek inside James Reid's home. That's up for sale. James Reid is letting go of his sprawling, multi-million-peso Quezon City home, which now awaits a new owner. According to JaDine fans, it's the same property James used to share with Nadine. The house was first reported to be on sale, and its estimated value was 82 to 85 million pesos. James Reid is still waiting for a new owner of his multi-million-peso house in Quezon City. The 28-year-old actor-singer uploaded more photos of his previous home that has been up for sale. In his caption, James left the contact details of his assistant Penelope and wrote, "My house is for sale." He bought this house sometime in 2016. In his latest set of photos, James gave his Instagram followers a look inside and outside of the property. James's house stands on a 1,000 square meter lot in Loyola Grand Villas, Katipunan. It has 3 floors, 7 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, and a 6-car garage. The kitchen and dining areas have a rustic vibe. A huge space is dedicated to the living room, which also boasts a high ceiling. The new owner can also customize the house's expansive master's bedroom. The master's bedroom also has a massive toilet and bath. The uniquely shaped 25-meter lap pool is located in the backyard of the property. There's also enough space for a gathering such as a barbecue party. As seen in the ad James posted in February 2020, the house amenities include fully soundproof recording studio and fully equipped gym. Some JaDine fans, however, were saddened to see the actor letting go of his home. The fans recalled how James and his former girlfriend Nadine made so many memories in that house when they were still a couple. She is now rumored to be in a relationship with the French Christophe Berriou. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Take care always.